Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 5.7 of geometry construction aspect activity for 5.7, which is reflections and symmetry. Notebook taking today. We have 26 points here of activity constructions today. And so we're going to investigate reflections today. What happens when a figure is reflected in a line? So to do this activity, we need a ruler and a protractor to do this. So fold a piece of paper in half, open the paper, draw a triangle on one side of the fold line, and label the vertices X, Y, and Z. So we have a fold here. Here's your fold right here. And then just draw this triangle here with X, Y, and Z vertices here. Fold the paper on the fold line and trace X, Y, and Z on the back of the paper. Open the paper, copy the points to the front and label them X prime, Y prime. This little mark here means prime. X prime, Y prime, and Z prime. So like this here, so you fold this on top of this, and then you mark these points here, and then you mark them Y prime, Z prime, and then X prime. So now you've reflected this triangle over on the other side here, yes? So draw a triangle X, Y, Z prime. Then draw XX prime, ZZ prime, and YY prime segments here, line segments here, connecting X and X prime, Z and Z prime, Y and Y prime. Label the points where X and X prime, Z, Z prime, and Y prime intersect. The fold line as A, B, and C as shown. So intersect the fold line. So where these segments intersect the fold line. So like this here. So we're connecting XX prime. And then where they intersect the fold line, that'd be A, B, and C. Here's Y and Y prime. But then here's Z and then Z prime. And then mark that B there. Go ahead and draw that. Okay, copy and complete the table. Measure those now on your paper. Measure XA, AX prime, ZB and BZ prime, YC, then CY prime. Measure those out. And then compare XA, AX prime, compare ZB and BZ prime. Compare them now. What do you notice about these segments? Then 3, copy and complete the table. We need to measure angles here, XAB, ZBA, and YCB. Measure those angles. 8 points here. And compare, put this in your text box. What do you notice about these segments up here? Then down here, what do you notice about the angles? So make a comment here about your angle measures. Make a comment here about the lengths of these segments. Number 4, how does the fold line relate to these segments here? How does the fold line relate to these different segments? And then that is your 5.7 activity. Thank you very much.